Today I'm going to show how to use FollowingLikeAccManager to update multiple Facebook accounts profile automatically. Add an account category. Import multiple accounts from file, in CSV, or text file. Or add an account directly. Add account information and proxy. How to bind proxies for multiple accounts. Import proxies from the file. Select proxy. Click Bind Proxies. Set limited running time for account, like running 500 tasks per hour. Set interval time. I use an account to run. Click Start to log in the accounts. The software is checking the account information. Then we'll reflect the information in this area. Now I create a task to update the profile. Create a task category. Choose Facebook. Click the right button to add modules. Select the account. Then add Update Profile module. Next, I'm going to add the corresponding module. Add a text module to input the information describes you. Rename the module. Better distinguish from other modules. Add a text module to input information about you. Add a text module to input location. Input the city you lived in. Add a birthday module. Choose a date. Or use random data. Add a gender module. Choose Account module. Add a photo module used to upload avatar. Begin to run the task. Here you can see the process. Update avatar. Update the information about you. The software will update other information automatically. Thanks for watching this video.